everyone. So I am back with yet another prosperity or abundance ritual, because many people have been liking the abundance rituals and they wanted me to bring in some more with the candles which I make. So I thought, let me bring in. You all must be wondering, what does a Venus of Willendorf or a Mother Goddess candle got to do with abundance? I will explain. See, I love this candle for two things. I have worked for two things. One is for fertility, people who are feeling difficult to conceive. For that, I have worked with her. And when I work with her, what I do is I use a Venus of Willendorf or the Mother Goddess. For me, more than Venus of Willendorf, I look at her as a Mother Goddess who is abundant. Now here she is pregnant, but she's abundant. Okay, she's voluptuous, so she's abundant for me. Okay, so that's the reason I use her only for these two, mainly for prosperity, or money flow to happen, and for conceiving. Now again, I cannot explain all the spells and rituals, because then there will be nothing left for me to teach during my candle magic workshop, because then students will start asking why like this. Okay, so the conceiving part I am not explaining here. I am explaining here the abundance part. So what I do is I use the Mother Goddess. Now she is not representing anyone. She is the Mother Goddess who will blessing me, who's going to bless me with what I need. So I'm taking 4 green candles here because I need money to come. Now one more main ingredient of this particular ritual is green rice. When this video is going on, I will ask my team if they can add the link of my green rice here, so that you can see how the green rice is made. It's a very beautiful way I work with this. Now you can do one more thing. Actually I wanted to do, but I forgot. You can add cowries, specifically the yellow cowries, which is for Goddess Lakshmi. It works beautifully. I will show you all when I'm doing the setup where you can place this cowries. You can also add the Gomati chakra. But since it's a goddess, first I want to smudge her. I want to make her happy. Usually it is said that Palo Santo, the smell of Palo Santo is liked by all the gods and goddesses, and that is also one reason why a lot of spellcasters, they use Palo Santo before they start any ritual, before they start any practice. They love working with Palo Santo. They will smudge the place, they will smudge the statues of the gods and goddesses. So here I want to just make her happy. So I'm just showing it across. You can also see, if you're going to cleanse the candle, if you're using a candle which you are not sure whether it is energized or not, because as I always say, I energize the candles and send for my clients. But if you're not sure if the candle is energized, then what you can do is you can even cleanse it anti-clockwise. Okay, now since mine is cleansed, because mine I only do, I'm just showing the smoke everywhere, so that she's happy, she's satisfied, that she is going to be in bliss and happiness when she's going to work on the case for whatever I am asking her to work, or the client on whoever I am asking her to work. So I have dressed her, I have given her the Palo Santo, I have made her happy with the Palo Santo. Now what I will do is, now for this you can use money oil, you can also use the basil oil, which is easily available in the market. You can also use the mint oil, the spearmint oil, or you can use the patchouli oil. I am using my magic oil because I want her to bring magic, and I of late have been working more with my magic enhancement oil and also with my money oil. So I'm using my magic oil here, and I'm sprinkling green glitters so that she brings in a lot of money. Okay, fine. Now what I will do is I will put a layer of green rice. I'll put a layer from here to every candle of mine, just a thin layer to every candle of mine. Okay, just a very thin layer. As I said, the team, if they can, then they will put it, or else even in my channel, if you go and see, you will easily come to know the green rice recipe of mine. Okay, now I have made this layer very thin, and a nice layer I have made. Okay, this layer will be made where it is touching the feet of the goddess, and it will be touching till the candle. So the feet of the goddess, you have to see to it that it's starting from the feet of the goddess. Okay, now this is done. What I will do is I can carve in this how much money I want. Okay, Okay, now I have done this. If you want, even in this you can apply your money oil or magic enhancement oil. I don't want to do it because these candles which I make, I have already infused it with money oil and the magic oil, so I'm not going to use them. So at the tip, it starts from the feet and then, so this is how it comes in cross. Okay, and that's how I'm going to burn it also. Alright, now if you want, you can even use the attraction powder here, but I'm not using it. I just feel this is enough. So first I will burn the goddess. It's a beautiful spell for Mother Goddess to help you all with abundance. So first the goddess, then one side opposite. You can do the right side also or the left side. Now if you're burning this first, then exact behind is what you will burn. You have to be very careful in that. So the opposites are burnt first. Then we come to this in the front. And then we come to this. When I'm burning it itself, I feel as if she's very happy and she's, blessing me. I don't know, I'm just getting a very happy feel when I'm burning the candle with all this. Now it will burn completely and then you can discard it. I would suggest if you can do this on every Thursday for at least 11 Thursdays and then start doing a top up or more like an add-on energy on every new moon, you will find beautiful results. And once you feel that the finances are increasing after the 11 Thursdays, do offer some red apple or do offer something to her and give it to some poor, give it to somebody who really actually deserves it, so that they'll be very happy and they would bless you for it. Okay, so I hope you all like the video. Do share, do like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I come live. And let me know how you felt it. Do try it. I would suggest try it because it's a very, very powerful spell. Thank you.